Hey, what's going on, guys? Joel here, and I wanted to personally welcome you guys to the TikTok ads program. This is one of the first TikTok ad programs out there ever in history, and I'm super excited to have you be a part of it. We have some really amazing things to share with you guys, and we're constantly innovating to make this program better with all the new updates that TikTok is rolling out. So with that in mind, let's jump right in. My goal for the program is to show you how to generate thousands of leads using TikTok ads. And I want to help you diversify away from Facebook, away from Google, away from YouTube, and never have to deal with ad account shutdowns, costs going up like crazy due to the saturation, and ultimately help you tap into the fastest growing platform on the planet. I don't know if you know this, but people are spending more time on TikTok per sitting than YouTube and Instagram. So this platform is growing faster than ever, and I'm here to help you take advantage of this blue ocean opportunity. It's very rare to come across an opportunity at such a perfect time, and there is going to be such a thing as a first mover's advantage. Over time, just like any other platform, costs are going to start climbing. So the sooner that you can be on this platform and diving in and getting ads up and running, the farther ahead you're going to be compared to everyone else. So with that in mind, whether you're a marketing agency or whether you're a local business or a business owner that wants to run TikTok ads and you've joined our program, we're helping all kinds of people. We're helping marketing agencies, local businesses, and online entrepreneurs. You will walk away with being one of the first to learn how to run TikTok ads and be on the forefront of all the new updates as we roll them out, with us taking the lead. And with that in mind, again, welcome to the program, and I'll see you on the next video.